Summer equals pool party! Okay, we're going all in with these bunch of balloons. No paintbrush, no problem. Oh yeah! Push them in, not too hard, just so they hold. Yep, here's the balloon pop game. A tub of darts and it's ready. Here's how to make a noodle floaty target. Lollipop stick, just what's needed. Perfect as dowels to attach the noodles. Hey, no noodles were harmed during the making of this video. Don't forget the water balloon bucket. Let's upcycle the cycle wheel. Paint contrasting colors along the rim. Attach the post and our wheel of colors ready. No more pin the tail on the donkey. How about splat the pirate? Paint a large piece of cardboard and draw on the pirate's face. Check this perfect circle drawing hack. Bet you didn't know your phone could double as a compass. Hairbrush, just what's needed to paint natural looking hair. Add a splash of color to distract the player's aim. No one said we were gonna make these games easy. Get ready, aim, and shoot! Hole in one! Ready to get crafty with the splash pad? Attach the hose pipe and fill it up. Makes a great water balloon holder for the balloon battle. Time to get this party started. Splash and dash. No one's coming out of this game dry. Grab a dart, aim, throw, and pop! So satisfying! Tons of fun for everyone! Who's ready for the noodle target? You've got to hit straight in the middle. Bouncing off the side doesn't count. Spin that wheel! We've got a color, now get netting! Who scooped out the most with the right color? Let's splat that big mouth pirate! Wow! Bunch of balloons make every party a blast!